Welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to change the language for message translation in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working in a multilingual team or just prefer messages translated to your preferred language, this guide will walk you through the steps clearly and easily. Open the Microsoft Teams desktop application on your computer and sign in with your account. In the top right corner of the Teams window, click on the three horizontal dots. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, click on the General tab in the left sidebar to access General Settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Translate Messages into this language. Click the drop-down menu and choose the language you want Teams to use for message translation. Once you've selected your language, close the Settings window. The change will be saved automatically. That's it. You've now successfully changed your translation language in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech tutorials and quick how-to guides every week.